1 Peter 2:24. By my wounds you are healed, and you shall be healed by the wounds of Jesus. And Isaiah chapter 53 verse 5, you shall be healed by his wounds and stripes. The reason that there are some wounds in our body turned like incurable. This is called the incurable disease. Because of our own sins, something turned incurable. Jeremiah chapter 30 verse 12 says, beyond of our effort and beyond of the medicine, your wounds are turned incurable. So all of you may read Jeremiah chapter 30 verse 12. For thus says the Lord,
your
hurt is incurable, your wound is grievous. So we have serious wounds in our body, incurable diseases. Jeremiah chapter 30 verse 12 says, beyond of our reach, beyond of the reach of the medicine, certain diseases turned incurable. And how these wounds turned incurable? Psalm 38 verse 5 says, we have sinned, and that sin remains, and that sin's turned as wounds in our life. So every sin, Bible says, will be turned as a wound. All of you may read together Psalm 38 5. My wounds grow foul and faster because of my foolishness. In some translations, it is written, because of my sin, my wounds and sickness turned incurable. And as all of us know, God doesn't punish the sinners.